Best Silicone Soap Molds Review. In this video, we will share with you one of the most popular soap molds in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We will share with you some of the features of what makes this soap making mold so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this set of molds. The one that made our list is the Baker Depot Cylinder Silicone Mold. This set is made from high quality food grade silicone that can withstand temperatures from -40 to 445 degrees Fahrenheit. The tray size measures 11.6 by 6.7 inches, while the mold diameter is about 1.58 inches. Other than using it to make soap, it can actually be used for things like jelly, chocolate, cakes, and more. This mold is specially designed to be flexible so that it's easier to remove the soap when it's done. To check out the full specs of the Baker Depot Cylinder Silicone Mold and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/bestsoapmold. Here's a quick demo of how easy it is to use this silicone mold. So there you have it, the Baker Depot Cylinder Silicone Mold. Considering its ease of use, its overall functionality, and the quality of the material, we feel that this silicone mold is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Baker Depot Cylinder Silicone Mold and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/bestsoapmold. Alright, thank you for watching.